Alright, YouTube land, we're back with another video. Today we've got a General Lee that was sent in by Robby out of South Carolina. Robby's kind of a regular for us, and we definitely appreciate your business, Robby. Robby sent this radio in. It was had all kinds of issues. We had to go through it and do a repair and take all the hack mods out of it and got all that done. So now we're got her hooked up here for this. Turn this up a little bit. And got a pretty quiet receiver on it for a General Lee. It's working good, Robby. So negative 110 at the 12 dB. We definitely like to see that. So we're going to switch on here. Like I say, this is just a report for you, Robby. Show how it's working before we put it in the box. I know you know how we do things. This ain't our first rodeo, so anyway, we'll start at 300. You know, it's clear across the board there. And turn this down. Go ahead and turn this up a little bit. Let y'all hear it as a test. Hello, radio. Check 1, 2. Hello. Got a little bit of second in there, not much. Alright. So, real quick, high power. High power is about 8 watts. Oh, turn that down. The low power is about 1. So that's where I set you. 0.94. Bird meter showing 1 watt. So that's where I set you. So anyway, high power. Hello. Alright, let's turn this back up. I'll go to 125 megahertz. We'll work our way backwards. Hello, radio. Let me turn this up. Got a little echo on so we can be cool. Hello.
1, 2, 3, 4. Audio check 1, 2. Audio radio 1, 2, 3, 4.
Only showing a little bit of the second. Well, that thing's loud as a 12 o'clock whistle.
Megahertz 1, 2, 3. Audio 1, 2. Hello, check.
So anyway, Robby, she's working, and like I say, she's dead on now. No more of that missing frequencies and scrolling back and forth and acting goofy. It's doing what it's supposed to do. So just a quick report for you. We're going to get it back in the box and get it headed your direction. Definitely appreciate your business. Y'all stay tuned. Got a lot coming up as always. Be safe, be careful, and be kind. We'll catch you next time. I'm gone.